Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link her shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today, you guys, we're going to stuff our sinking funds. Definitely need some funds. We've been spending a little bit and also saving, but mostly, I won't say mostly, but you know, spending's been taking place. Today we're working with 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. I have $155 that I am working with to cash stuff. Where do we begin? We'll start in our family binder because if some of them don't get cash, that's okay. Car maintenance. I had an issue with my door, so I had to get that repaired. The guy only charged me $10 to fix it, but I still haven't gotten my windshield wipers, so maybe let's put $5 today, and then we'll figure it out. Home, let's put another $5 because we need to, we'll take this and put it in. So now it has $15. And home is just buying little random things for my home. Mostly, I will say, most of it is usually spent on incense, candles, things like that, because I do burn them quite a bit. Safety net. Safety net needs some cash. Should we put 40? Yes, let's put 40 into safety net because I have some time that I'm taking off next month, and I really need to focus on this. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 220, 225. I need about $600 really to, I guess technically not that much. I do need to figure out my numbers, so I will work on it as well. Okay. And then we will move on to my kiddos binder. And back to school, we'll put $5 there. We are working on getting some funds put together, saved for back to school. One of my kids will be going into middle school, so that's going to be a change for us. Both of the schools that I was looking at have school uniforms, so there's that. We have 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So 170 and back to school. All right, and their birthday, which is coming very soon, and I did calculate how much money I have in total so far, and I'm so close to getting this, getting their birthday money together. And I think what we can go ahead and do today is we can put $5. We have a little bit of time left, but also I'm so close with all of my savings challenges. We're good. Clothing, I don't think we're going to add anything to clothing. Maybe we should add $5. I did buy some things at the thrift store, so now clothing has $55. I probably need to break that down, so when I need to grab a couple things I can. All right, so fun, we're going to go ahead and put $20 there. We did spend all of fun, because that's just the way it goes. You know how it goes. And then my kiddos, we're going to go ahead and give them $5 each. I did cash at them, as usual, the funds that they did earn. Both of them have been stepping up. I did try to explain that there's not going to be a lot into their envelopes for spending because I am working so hard to make sure that we save enough for their birthday. So, all right, Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. What do we have? Let's go ahead and put some cash into Christmas. How about Victor? Let's give him $5. And we have 50, 70, 95. All right, and then Vincent, let's go ahead and give him $5 as well. And we have 50, 70, 95. I give them the same amount across the board. Whenever I am giving money at all, I give them the same amount. Unless they're like physically working for the money. Otherwise, yeah. All right, I think we'll put $5 in here. So we're going to take 5 out, put 10 in. And Mommy now has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. And I think we'll go ahead and break this down and put a 20. Now we have 60 here. All right, and miscellaneous. I don't know if we need to put anything in here right now. Let's see. How about we put $5 and then we will take 15 out and put a 20 in. Perfect. Okay. So now we have $50 in miscellaneous, and that is for if we want to do anything, go anywhere, gift any money, donate money or a gift or anything like that. Special gift is a gift from my mom, and we're going to go ahead and put $5. So now we have $45, and whatever I save for this envelope, I will split in half, and my kiddos will each get that gift from their grandmother who passed away recently. So that's why it's still current and, you know, on my heart and in my mind. Let's add $10 to PTO. I'm going to have to really step this up because I'm working on taking off at least 3 weeks from work. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 145. Perfect. And then lastly, I have a binder for mommy, and I've been spending, you guys. I was thinking, oh, I'm going to do something, go somewhere, whatever. And I did. I went to the store and I shopped. And I just went to Five Below, the Ark, and Dollar Tree, and I spent a pretty penny. I got a lot of stuff, but I ended up, it was fun. It was actually a lot of fun. All right, so health, let's go ahead. I think we got everything we need for health. Let's skip health for now because these other envelopes are a little thin and they need some cash. Self-care, let's put $10 there. I do have a plan to spend some more money. I wanted to really beef these back up the way they were, and I am thinking of moving some money around in my account to see what I actually have where I can do another big cash stuffing from my sinking funds. All right, so birthday, we're gonna go ahead and add, let's add $5 here. My birthday is in August and I have a little bit of time here. So we have 50, 75. It seems different from last time. I'm not going to worry about it because sometimes I go into these envelopes and I'm not really paying attention and I'll be like, oh my goodness, what did I just do? But I need to do better. Solo date. This is where I spent a lot of cash. That and self-care. That's where I pulled the money that I spent because, you know, I wanted to go out myself and somebody else. We went together and we had a good time. It was a lot of fun. She shopped till she dropped, and so did I. So 2045. But we are talking about going on, it's not going to be it'll be a solo date, like away from my kiddos, but we did talk about going to a restaurant. It's called a Melting Pot. So I think we are going to really focus on doing that. And I did spend a little bit at a casino. I didn't go to the casino. I did buy some scratch tickets, but we're going to add $5 there. So 20, 40, 45. So there's that. I was thinking this coming weekend, maybe going to bingo and spending up this cash. See if I could win some more money. I really would like to go to bingo, win some money, and then stuff my PTO like crazy. For June, I'm taking 2 weeks off. For sure in December, taking some time off. Not for sure, but that's the plan. And I was thinking too, if I absolutely have to move especially my binder, all of the money into PTO to pay myself, I will do that and start over. I'm okay with that because it's really important that I have the time off that I need off. I've gotten to the point where it is a priority. It is very important to me to choose me, to have time for myself and to live the life that I want to live in terms of, yes, I want to spend time with my children. Yes, I want to take time off from work and not be obligated or put myself in a box and say, no, you can't, no, you can't, no, you can't. Well, at least have to try, right? And that's as long as I'm trying to reach my goals and to have time for myself, have time with my kiddos, I'm going to keep doing that. And as it stands, I'm still trying to find a place for us to move to. I'm being very patient with myself. I was a little bit anxious before because things weren't panning out the way that I wanted them to, but it's not always going to work out the way we think. We've got to let everything go in God's time and make sure we're not rushing the choice, because that's how I ended up in the place I'm in now. I felt like I needed to choose something right away, and I did, and I'm grateful that I have this place, but we also know that we want to move into a little bit nicer area, maybe have a little bit more room or something. So definitely working on that. You guys, I want to thank you all so much for coming back again. It's been so awesome. All month, you guys have been rocking with me, coming back, supporting me, seeing what's going on over here. And I'm so very excited to see the savings taking place, especially because we're still enjoying life. We're still spending a little bit, but we're still saving a little bit as well. So I want to see some growth happening here, but I also want to make sure that, especially with summer coming up, my kiddos can just have the summer of their dreams. For their birthday, they are getting expensive gifts, so they will be inside a little bit, but we do also have some plans to do some free things. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.